Hey everyone, today I want to show you a brand new $100 a day strategy. I started using this strategy just 3 days ago and so far it has generated 90 clicks and 35 conversions for me, and I've made sales of $394 as the result of me using this strategy. So thank you so much for tuning into this video today. I'm going to show you everything step by step. So I've been testing something really exciting and something that I really think that you are going to like and can implement, and that is YouTube Shorts. Now, these last two videos that have got 1.5 thousand views and 1.2 thousand views, they are YouTube Shorts on my channel that I've just recently posted. This strategy can be used in any niche, but of course, because my channel is in the digital marketing niche, I'm going to show you what I have done within my niche, but you can replicate it within your niche as well. Each one of these videos is a mini tutorial where I show a certain thing or give certain information, and then at the end of each of these YouTube Shorts, I'm prompting the viewer to access some additional further training or further information. And in these videos, I have used my domain contentdough.com, where people can go after watching this video. Contentdough.com link then redirects to this opt-in page where the viewers can enter their name and email to get further information and further training from me. These are the stats of that opt-in page. I'm just going to refresh it here so you can see that this is all legit, and in real time there are 90 form impressions and 35 conversions. So that basically means that out of 2.7 thousand viewers combined, 90 people ended up going to this domain and 35 people ended up opting in for that training. These leads then go through the follow-up process within my autoresponder, and that's how I've made these two sales totaling $394. In my case, for my niche, I decided to sell my own course, but you can absolutely promote anything in any niche using the exact same methods. And if you wanted to promote a product as an affiliate, you can do that. You can build your list. And here are the three main methods that you can use YouTube Shorts in any niche to monetize and make money right now. And the first one is to mention your links in the videos, preferably towards the end of the video, the way that I just showed you a moment ago earlier on in this video. The second way is to get subscribers from YouTube Shorts. Like for example, this YouTube short that I published a little while ago has got 280,000 views and it has given to my channel 4.8 thousand subscribers. And the third way that is coming up in just a couple of months is from February 2023, you will actually be able to monetize with ads and earn ad revenue directly on your YouTube Shorts. We will learn more about this, but there is this announcement on the YouTube website where they're telling us that basically from February the 1st, 2023, you will be able to earn revenue directly from Shorts. So the first step of the whole process is to decide what niche your YouTube channel is going to be in. And for the purposes of this video today, we're going to use the tech niche Excel tips as the example of what niche we're going to be making our videos in. It's really a very good niche, so if you're wondering what kind of niche to go into, I can actually highly recommend Excel and in general tech tutorials. Look at the number of views that these simple videos that are just 2 minutes or 4 minutes are getting. One of the leading channels in this niche is Layla Garani's channel, and you can see the number of views that her normal length videos are getting. But of course, today we're talking about shorts. So if you look at the shorts that she has created and the number of views on the shorts videos that she's created, it's pretty mind-blowing as well. So a lot of her shorts are getting about 45 to 70,000 views, but actually there are occasional shorts that get hundreds of thousands of views, like this one, 161,000, 199,000. And she's had also some YouTube shorts that get millions of views. Look at this, 5.1 million views for a very simple short video. Step 2 is to decide what video editing software you're going to be using, and the first option is to use Canva. Canva has got a free pricing tier as well as a couple of premium pricing tiers. Is a really good software option. The second option is DaVinci Resolve. So DaVinci Resolve has got two versions, has got a paid version and a free version. So you can totally use DaVinci Resolve, free download. I've made a couple of videos just earlier on how to use DaVinci Resolve, so you can check those on my channel. And the software that I'm going to be covering today is InVideo. The link to InVideo is in the description below, and it also has a free pricing tier as well as a business and an unlimited pricing tier. So in today's tutorial, we're actually going to be using the free version of the InVideo video editing tool. So if you just grab the free version, you will be able to follow along. If you decide to grab one of the premium pricing tiers, just use my coupon code CB30, so like this CB30, and then just click apply and you will see that the pricing will give you a 30% discount. Step 3 is to find a channel that is already successful in your niche, and that way you can get inspiration and get some ideas from the channel. You can also use, of course, more than one channel for inspiration. And for today's video, we're going to be looking at Layla Garani's channel. So you can take a look at the videos that she has produced, the long form content as well as the shorts, and try to identify what kind of videos you can replicate. Of course, you can't copy those videos exactly, but it can give you an idea for what sort of topics are actually popular. And as an example, we can see that she's made this video here recently with 75,000 views. It's how to freeze top row and first column. And it's just a very simple video that basically, if you've just got Excel installed, you can replicate. Doesn't take any special knowledge to create this video. You can just watch it, learn how it's done, and then make your own version of it. Hopefully, maybe even try to make it better than the original video that you are getting inspiration from. The next step is to film your footage, and you can just use your mobile phone to film your footage. That is how a lot of YouTube shorts are done. You can also use this free screen recorder called OBS Studio to record your screen on desktop if you don't have a mobile phone, or if that's what you just prefer to do. So then just grab your phone and film yourself implementing this tip that you are showing in the YouTube Shorts video, and that would be to show exactly how to freeze pane in Microsoft Excel. So you would grab your phone and then just show them how you're placing your cursor like this over here, and then clicking freeze panes, and how now this is working and the panes are actually frozen. Once you're done with your footage, jump inside in video into your free dashboard, and you can see that I'm here on a free plan. I've actually got the offer to upgrade in the top right, so this is definitely a free plan that I'm using. And from here, I actually like to use the templates. So once you're in here, where it says try video ads, just type in YouTube Shorts to find YouTube Shorts templates. They will already be in the correct sizing for YouTube Shorts. And then just take a look at which kind of template looks good to you and looks professional. Maybe I like this template here because I like these yellow kind of bits of text that I can use. Okay, so let's just click on this. You can preview the template here, and once you're happy with it, just click use template here on the right hand side of it. So there we are. This is our editing interface, and at the bottom you can see we've got the timeline and we've got this scroller, and we can change everything in here. Everything you can just click on and drag it around. And the first thing, of course, we want to do is just get rid of these default background clips, and we want to replace it with our footage of the tip that we've just filmed. So for that, on the left hand side over here, go into your uploads, and here you can upload your media. So just go ahead and upload the video that you've just created. So now that we've got our video over here on the left, we can just drag it to add it to any of these scenes. And here you can adjust if you wanted to only apply a portion of this video, drag the edges to adjust the start and end positions. I'm going to add the whole clip. So let's just go add over here. You can see our clip appears over here. So now we need to get rid of this other clip there in the background. So let's delete that. And let's make this clip that we have taken larger to fit the whole screen. We don't want this logo, so we can delete this placeholder from all scenes. Now we can adjust this overlay to say step 1, and then give the text for what we want to be in step 1. Okay, so here we can say step 1 like this. We can say position cursor to where you want to freeze the pane. So that's going to be our first instruction, and let's just see how that looks. Okay, so we can now see that in the preview, I'm showing kind of how to and where to position that cursor. So now at this point, we need to change this instruction, and let's click on it and adjust the duration of it so it finishes here. Now we need to put step 2 over here. So you can right click on this and then click duplicate, and that will create a second layer. And you can see all of the elements here on the right hand side. So you can see we've now got 2 step 1s. Let's change one of them to be step 2. And we're going to say step 2, click view, freeze panes like this. And we now need to move it in the timeline. So right now you can see that we're seeing step 2. So let's just move it, and let's move this timeline until both of them kind of intersect. Okay, so we're in this position where step 1 is disappearing, and step 2 is now going to appear like this, step 2. So we can actually even change it a little bit. We can change the position, maybe put it over here. Step 2, click view, freeze panes. All right, so our video is going to show how to do that. Step 2, click view, and then freeze panes. All right, so we're showing how to click that. And that's it. This is the outcome. So we now need to stop this. And again, the same thing, duplicate. And we can now see that we've duplicated this. So let's put this step 3 done like that. And again, move it in the timeline. So we're just going to move it in the timeline over here. All right, so this is step 2 and step 3 done. And this is basically our video. So we now have completed everything, all of the steps, as well as the overlay for it. We can now add our monetization component. So this next scene that rolls in, we can edit this, and you can be creative here. You can do this in a lot of different ways, but probably one of the simplest ways would be to say something like this: download my free Excel course, and then over here put in the link so that people can type it in to grab your free Excel course. You can create this link for free in bit.ly link shortener, but if it was bit.ly 2023-super-excel, okay, you can redirect this link and point it to your free giveaway course if you want to build a list, or you could potentially even direct it straight through as an affiliate link to promote someone else's Excel course. Now you can apply this sort of monetization strategy in a lot of different niches, in virtually any niche that you can possibly imagine. This is of course just an example for how to do it in one of the niches, the Excel niche that I'm showing you here. So now we can just get rid of the rest of these little scenes because we don't really need them anymore. Okay, so let's just click on them, and I'm clicking delete here, by the way. So we have now just got all of the pieces that we worked on. So we can now preview how everything looks together. There you have it. So we've built from start to finish our mini tutorial, which is insanely useful and also will help you either build your list or promote products as an affiliate. If you guys learned something new today, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel just below and smash the like button just underneath this video. And to learn another cool strategy on how to quickly produce viral YouTube Shorts videos, watch this video next. It's going to show you start to finish everything that you need to know about this super cool trick that I've recently discovered with YouTube Shorts. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.